The first step to stockpiling is approaching the pile or bank. Approach the material to be loaded in first gear, if loading from a solid bank, and in second gear if loading from a pile of free-flowing material. Approach the bank squarely with the bucket parallel to, and just skimming, the ground. The loader frame must be straight, not articulated, when the bucket enters the bank. This straight configuration gives the loader optimum stability. The second step in stockpiling is taking the first bite. When entering the pile, make a good thrust into the material, but do not ram the pile. Pull the hoist lever all the way back and lock it in the raise position. This will help reduce tire spin by transferring weight to the front tires. Continue to work the tilt lever back and forth to fill the bucket with material. The third step is filling the bucket. While pumping the bucket, continue to advance. This is called crowding the material. Regulate the throttle, or, if your machine has the feature, use the rim pull limiter pedal to prevent tire slippage. The last step before traveling with the loaded bucket is knowing what to do when the bucket is full. When the bucket is full, tilt the bucket all the way back and begin reverse motion. Of course, now you want to begin to lower the boom. Never travel with a loaded bucket and the boom fully raised, as this can increase the risk of tip over. If it is necessary to travel with a raised bucket, you must travel at a very low speed and use extreme caution. When traveling with a loaded bucket, carry the bucket approximately 1 meter or 3 feet off the ground for stability, balance and visibility. For better stability, travel in reverse when you are required to carry loads down a steep incline. This will prevent the loader from tipping forward if you have to use your brakes while going down the incline. Travel forward when going uphill. The center of gravity of the machine is near the front of the loader when the bucket is loaded. So as long as the loader is traveling straight up the incline, the chance of a tip over occurring is very low. To stockpile the material, dump the load to form piles in a series, one against the other as close and as high as possible. Continue this pattern until the entire stockpile area is covered with piles. As you approach the pile, raise the bucket to the required height before dumping. The top of the piles can be leveled off and a ramp formed if additional layers of piles are to be stockpiled. Additional layers can be added as long as a gradual ramp is maintained.